Tonight, I want to talk about an aspect which is the cornerstone of flood control plan for Brownhill Creek. In spending $140 million from the public purse, proper comparisons of options must occur. Vital to this approach is that costings should be fair and reasonable. Apples should be compared with apples. Let's examine the detention dam costings in the Brownhill Creek catchment zone. What do we mean by comparing apples with apples? The catchment area of Brownhill Creek will have two different dam locations. In the Worley-Parsons draft report of 2011, we see apples being compared to apples. Big dam being compared to big dam. These dams are roughly comparable with similar retaining capacities. Then things change in 2012 and apples and oranges appear. A very small dam appears. Now apples and oranges are compared for costing. A later report dedicated to detention dams only is produced by the Snowy Mountain Engineering Company, SMEC. Surely costings will be reviewed. But no. The SMEC report continues the strange costing comparison. Why has Ellison's Gully Dam been kept so big that it is eliminated? Why has Site 1 dam been made so small that it will be favoured on cost? The costing appears distorted and puts the cheaper dam into a sensitive environmental zone. What was the brief that engineers were instructed to work to? This creek-only upgrade has never been considered a strong engineering option. Here is what Worley-Parsons describes it as. It's to put into perspective the extent of channel upgrading works required in the absence of other mitigation measures. Yet the Council is promoting this inferior engineering option. To achieve a saving illusion, have we already spent our savings and more on previously ignored engineering reports? We must keep the whole thing in perspective. Perspective needs to return, the serving of the greater good across the community. Ellison's Gully Dam fulfills that aim to serve the greater good citywide across MITCHAM. We commend this view for consideration of the Council and thank you for your audience.